What is up, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys knew what is up, my name is Aspen, and today I'm coming at you guys with a very exciting video, as I say at the beginning of all my videos, and that is because today I'm coming at you guys with a Glossier haul. Now, I know my last couple of videos have been hauls, but those hauls do not top this haul because Glossier hauls are the best hauls, and I have been collecting all this stuff since I went to the Glossier showroom in New York at the beginning of February. Basically, what I'm saying is I have a bunch of stuff to share with you guys. I have this big old Glossier bag right here, just filled with Glossier stuff. Some of this is refills, some of these are new products that I wanted to try, so we have a lot to talk about in this haul. I am a Glossier rep, so if you guys want to shop my favorite, shop anything that I talk about in this video, I have my Glossier link down below, so you guys can click that link, shop my favorite, shop whatever you and your little heart desire off the Glossier page. But without further ado, let's dive into what I have in this big old Glossier bag filled with Glossier stuff. Okay, so first and foremost, whether you buy something at the Glossier showroom or you order it, you always get everything in this cute pink pouch. You get to choose a sample. I lately have been choosing the Glossier U sample, which if you guys can see it back there, I have the full-size fragrance. It is my favorite fragrance ever. I also have the Glossier stickers that they come with, so everything just, you know, comes cute, nice stickers, nice samples. We're not here to talk about samples and stickers, we're here to talk about what's in this bag. So let's start by, wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. Let's start by pulling out, we have a Glossier solution right here. This has turned into like my favorite Glossier product ever. If you guys don't know, I filmed a video all about solution, so if you guys want to check that out, I will have my Glossier video playlist linked down below as well if you guys want to check any more Glossier videos out. But I was on the campaign for solution, and this is essentially like a skin exfoliant, and it's been really helping with my acne and kind of brightening up my skin and such. So this is like my #1 Glossier product. The next thing that I got is the Glossier Daily Oil Wash, and then it of course comes with a little pump. I love this body wash so much. I especially love using it with my Nivea like Orange Blossom because they have similar scents, and I love using these both in the morning. This just makes my skin feel and look so fresh and healthy and just makes me feel good. I usually like to pamper myself when I use this because I don't want to like run out of it so quickly, but it is such a nice body wash. I definitely recommend if you are just looking for like a nice body wash, you need this body wash for sure. The next refill that I got is just a new Milky Jelly cleanser. This is my favorite morning cleanser. It is so gentle on the skin. It doesn't make your skin feel tight or any of that such. I'm pretty sure I have a hair on my lip. But this is like my all-time favorite gentle cleanser. I had to pick up another one of these because I did indeed run out. This is my third Milky Jelly cleanser. I'm obsessed with it. The next refill that I have is something that I never thought that I would run out of so quickly, but I literally bathe my face in it, and that is my Priming Rich Moisturizer. This is the like more hydrating version of the priming moisturizer. I like to use the priming moisturizer. I don't know where I was going then. And it is a very thick moisturizer, so you don't need to use a lot. That's one thing that I learned is I just love to bathe my face in this stuff because it makes my skin feel so nice and hydrated. I had to pick up a new one of these because this is like my new favorite like really hydrating moisturizer. The next two things that I got refills of are the serums. I like to use the Super Bounce and the Super Pure serum. The Super Bounce is just another one of those products that helps hydrate my skin in the morning. It looks like this, and it just comes in like a little like dropper applicator. And I like to use this in the morning just to make sure after I use my Milky Jelly cleanser, my skin is just really nice and hydrated before I apply my makeup, especially because my skin really reacts to like the weather change. What is helping with my acne is my Super Pure serum. This one is basically targeted towards like breakout and redness prone skin. It is the same packaging. This is just like one of my holy grail skincare products to help with my acne and my redness. So I had to restock on these because these are like essential in both of my skincare routines. The next couple things that I have to share with you guys are Glossier's newest products. And no, when I say this is not sponsored. Since I am a Glossier rep, I got these sent to me to try them out. But they are the Glossier Lid Stars. I have it on my eyes today. I also filmed a Glossier Lid Star video if you guys want to check that out as well. But basically what these are, they're like cream. I would explain them to someone as like a cream shadow, but what is cool about them is you basically put it on your eyelid and it's like a cream shadow applicator. And let me take one out and show you guys. I'm being so selfish. This is what it looks like right here. And it just has like that applicator that like a lip gloss would have, or like a cream shadow would have. And you literally just put it on your eyelid and you can leave it as pigmented as it is, or you can use your finger and kind of blend it out and sheer it out if you want. I have been playing with these and I have another one on its way. And these have just been so convenient and easy. I've been having so much fun with these. So if you guys are definitely like looking for something that's super easy in the morning, you don't want to do all that blending, I would definitely check out Glossier's Lid Stars because they're great. You can get them in a duo for $30. You can use my link down below and get 20% off your first purchase. You know, it's great. Next, what I have to share with you guys know these are my favorites. I have some new Balm.coms. You guys know I'm obsessed with Glossier Balm.coms. They're my favorite lip balms of all time. I ended up getting 3 for $30. Yeah, 3 for $30. I got original and then I also got coconut, which my best friend has coconut and I fell in love with it. So I wanted to get coconut. And now I have all 6 Balm.coms. And then I got another rose Balm.com because this one I'm literally squeezing the life out of the tube to get more out. But I didn't want to use this one until I filmed this video. So now I can use my new rose Balm.com. I'm just very passionate about Balm.coms. But I definitely recommend if you guys are looking for a really, really nice like lip balm, especially for the summertime when it starts getting more dry outside, you guys need to check out Balm.coms because they are the bomb. Alright, I have 2 more things to share with you guys. The first one being I got a new Boy Brow. If you guys don't know, Boy Brow is one of my favorite Glossier products. I started getting my eyebrows threaded and it's literally so easy. So this is what it looks like this. And it comes with just a little mini wand. So whenever I say get my eyebrows threaded, I literally just have to comb it through. I have mine in black. They also have it in blonde, brown, and clear. But my eyebrows are black. And you literally just comb the product through. It's not like a super heavy product, but it just makes your eyebrows look so nice and natural and beautiful. And I just love the look of Boy Brow, especially the wand. I think the wand is what really helps create that nice look to the eyebrow. I have gone through 4 of these already and I'm probably going to go through like 40 more of them. And the last product that I have to share with you guys is the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint. Now, if you guys know what my skin looks like, I do have acne-prone skin. I do have scarring on my skin. But I wanted to get this just to try out because I'm the type of person that if I know there's some sort of product on my skin, I feel more confident in my skin. So this is sheer. It is literally for the person that has nice, flawless skin and they just want something to kind of, you know, have something on their skin. So that is what this is for me. But you can still see like all my acne scarring and everything. So if you're looking for like a foundation or like even like a CC cream or something, this is not the product for you. This is like a very like iffy product for a lot of people. So yeah, that's all I have to say about this. I don't use it that often, but it's nice to have, I guess. And with that being said, that is going to be all for my Glossier haul. That rhymed. I should be a rapper. Can't think of anything else to go after that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I get so passionate when I talk about Glossier on my channel, but Glossier is literally the bomb.com. So if you guys want to shop anything that I talked about in this video, don't forget to check out my Glossier link. It'll be the first link in the description box down below so you guys can shop my favorites because you guys need these Glossier products. That's gonna be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!